Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate. Selling your home and wondering what home inspection related repairs you need to make, or if you can just sell the home as is? I occasionally am asked by sellers, can I just sell my house as is? And I have to remind them, think about yourself if you're the buyer and you're looking for homes and you see advertised sold as is. The first thing that happens is that bells go off, the red flag goes up, and the buyer thinks, what is wrong with that home? Why is the seller selling it as is? What are they not disclosing, or what are they hiding about that house? So as a seller, I encourage you not to shoot yourself in the foot from the get-go and advertise sold as is, because you'll miss out on buyers that otherwise may have wanted to see the house, and they may skip looking at your house altogether. Instead, be prepared to possibly have to make home inspection related repairs. You would have made those repairs anyway, probably, if you continued to own the home, because there are likely things you didn't even know that were wrong with the home, and you would want to protect your number one investment, your home. So what kind of repairs could come up? First, there's required repairs, there's the not required repairs, and then last, there are the repairs that are negotiable that could or could not necessarily be done. So what are those required repairs? Those repairs are going to be things related to the appraiser or the lender, whether they're going to be things that will impact the value of the house. So they could be things that are costly structural issues, they could be safety issues, code violations, maybe roof issues, heating and air, or even chimney related issues. So those are things that might be required in order for the loan to go through so your buyer can buy. What are the things that are not required? Those would be things that are cosmetic issues, kind of like scuffed up paint, maybe holes on the walls from pictures hanging, dirty carpet. Those are just cosmetic issues. So the things that are up for question whether they would have to be done or not would be things that are dependent really on your particular market. So if you're in a market where it's super hot, where houses hit the market and they sell that day, you're probably going to be in a position where you don't have to make those questionable repairs. But if you're in a market more like ours, where there's other houses available and a buyer could just say, hey, if you're not going to make the repairs, I'm going to the next house, then you probably want to negotiate something with that buyer to satisfy both the buyer and the seller, come to some kind of compromise. And remember, if you're selling your home with Shannon Rollins Real Estate, when we get that home inspection report, we're going to advise us to go ahead and get a bid on the repairs first so we can make an educated decision. And the vendors we use, they'll make the repairs to the house, and you don't have to come out of pocket to pay for the repairs at that time. They will just be charged on your closing statement when we go to closing, and the charge will come out of the proceeds that you would get at closing. It's a win-win for everybody. So the best thing to do is get your home inspection report, review it with your agent, come up with a plan of action that makes most sense for you and your particular market. For other short videos about buying or selling, visit my website at shannonr.com and click on the video library link. And thanks for watching.